I could watch this bird perch on her for ages. She's so funny, she keeps losing her thing. I love how they move their heads. Oop, 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 oop. Oh. Bobbing backwards and forwards to gain their balance. Half looking like they're about to jump when they're not. Oh, oh, you got an itchy head. The whole wobble that they do just cracks me up. It really does. What's Kermit up to? He's gone over there, looking at his shadow, trying to figure out who that shadow belongs to. Just because there's two of them. He's confused. He's got two shadows. He's like, that's my shadow, but whose is this one? And he's cooing at the shadow. It's you, you idiot. What's she up to? Oh, she's still bouncing. She's so beautiful. So I put DVD cases on there so that it's easy for me to transport them. Because the three original ones I had, they don't like being picked up like she does. Where is it? There. Pick her up all the time. All I gotta do is walk up to her and put my hand under her belly. She knows just what to do.